So acetaxin causes the let down reflex, the actual ejection of the milk from the alveoli of the mammary gland. During lactation, acetaxin also stimulate the recently emptied uterus to contract. This one it is helping it to return the pre-pregnancy size. So uterus they need to come in its original size with the help of the hormone acetaxin. That reflex is known as the let down reflex. Okay, then colostrum. The mammary gland secrete a yellowish fluid that is called colostrum during the infant's few days after partition. During the initial few days after partition. So mammary gland they can secrete the milk. That milk yellowish color, yellow colored milk, that is known as the colostrum. Okay, so how when it is secreting during the initial few days after partition, after the delivery few days they can secrete the yellowish fluid. Okay, so it has less lactose than milk, lactose contents. Okay, we have seen glucose, fructose, lactose. Okay, that is fully for what? In a carbohydrate. Okay, so that it has less lactose than milk and also no fat. That colostrum they contains in ordinary cow milk it is present more amount of lactose. It is very difficult to digest the infant, so less than lactose content from the milk and no fat. But it contains more proteins, vitamin A and minerals. What is present in the colostrum? More proteins, vitamin A and then in minerals. Okay, this is essential in our body. So different types of protein it is essential for the development of our body, development and number of biochemical reactions. We will discuss later. Okay, protein why it is essential. So more proteins, vitamin A and minerals are present in colostrum. So they will ask in a 3 mark or 2 mark question, colostrum. So colostrum is a yellowish fluid they can secrete during the initial few days after the partition. Then it is less than the lactose than the milk and almost no fat, but it is contains more proteins, vitamin A and then in the minerals. Then this colostrum it is rich in immunoglobulin A antibodies. Okay, immunoglobulin A antibodies. It is essential to attack the antigen. It is a foreign bodies. If any disease causing germs or dust, any foreign particles from the outside, they can enter in our body, that is known as the antigen. Okay, so that antigen cause the infection in our body. So antibodies, it is secreting in our natural immune system. That antibodies, they can go and fight the antigen. They can protect us from the infection. So colostrum is also rich in immunoglobulin A antibodies. This helps to protect the infant's digestive tract against bacterial infection. So that microorganisms are present everywhere. So by naturally in our intestine it is contained number of bacteria. So due to the infants they want to protect from the infection of the bacteria. So colostrum it is present in for what? Rich in immunoglobulin A antibodies. Then breast milk is the ideal food for infants. That is the one of the ideal என்னது தனித்துவம் வாய்ந்த. Okay, so that breast milk only is the ideal food for infants, and as it contains all the constituents in suitable concentration and is easily digestible. Okay, what are the essential nutrients it is needed to the infants? Everything it is present in the breast milk. Okay, then it is helpful for them to digest very easily. So it is fully sufficient till about 6 months of age, and all infants must be breastfed by the mother to ensure the growth of the healthy baby. Say they want to grow in a very healthy baby, so definitely at least 6 months of age all the infants they want to feed mother's milk. Okay, mother's breastfeed. Can you understood all of you? Okay, lactation and then in a colostrum. Then another one important also about the colostrum. So colostrum is a nutrient. Okay, it is a nutrient rich fluid. It is produced by the human female immediately after giving birth. Child பிறந்த ஒரு மணி நேரம் 2 மணி நேரத்தில் என்ன ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும்? மில்க் வந்து செக்ரேட் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். is loaded with immune, growth and tissue repair factors. What is present in that milk? Immune, then immune system need, it is against the infection. So that immune, growth and tissue repair factors are present. Then it acts as a natural antimicrobial agent to actively stimulate the maturation of the infant's immune system. So it is contains in the antimicrobial agent, then they can stimulate the maturation of the baby's immune system. So artificial feed can substitute the fresh milk. Then we can give the artificial milk also, that feeding also, but that is one of the substitute only. So primary first ideal food we need to give the mother's milk. So with all the natural benefits, and therefore should be definitely feed to the baby after childbirth. So we need to give for what, mother's milk for the babies up to the 6 months. So then only the baby they can get in a immune system, maturation of in its immune system, the number of antibodies, nutrients, everything the baby they can get. So it is maintained in a healthy baby. So mother's milk is must. Okay. Then another we have seen in a parturition. Then when the normal delivery it is not possible, cesarean. Okay, when normal vaginal delivery is not possible due to the factors like position of the, what are the factors? Position of the baby. So automatically when the baby it is developed, the position they can change. The fetus they can move into the downwards. Okay, it is not in a normal. Okay, depending upon the position of the baby, nature of the placenta, okay, how it is present, nature of the placenta, and the baby is delivered through the surgical incision. It is not possible in a normal. So that time they can deliver the baby through the surgical. Okay, that is known as the woman's the abdomen அப்படியே surgical method மூலமா என்ன செய்றாங்க, they can remove the baby. That is known as the cesarean. It is termed as known as abdominal delivery or cesarean section or in a C-section. Can you understood? Cesarean it is caused due to the number of factors. What are the factors? Position of the baby, nature of the placenta and nature of the placenta. These two. It is not in a normal, then through the cesarean surgical method we can deliver the baby. Can you understood all of you? Okay. Then in this lesson we have completed. So what we have discussed in this lesson? Reproduction. Why the organisms it is reproducing. Then what is the then oviparous, viviparous, everything we have discussed in the first lesson. So all the organisms they can reproducing. The number of events of reproduction we have discussed. Then we have discussed very detail in male reproductive system. What are the organs are present. Then what is the female reproductive system, primary and then accessory. Then how it is producing the gametes. Okay, gametogenesis. Then what we have seen, menstrual cycle. Okay, that number of for what, complex system, female reproductive system is complex than the male. Okay, that fully we have discussed. Then after gamete formation, gametogenesis, for what, fertilization. After fertilization they can produce a zygote. Then the zygote it is involving in a number of changes, division, cell divisions. Then they can produce, they can develop in the embryo how it is developing inside the uterus, how we are maintaining the pregnancy, then how the child it is delivered. Okay, then the importance of lactation, mother's milk, everything we have discussed in this lesson. I think have you understood all of you? Have you understood? Okay, if they have any doubt when are you studying, through phone you ask me. Okay.